Morning folks, this is Shane with Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today we're looking at the Arctic Fox 992. It's a long bed camper. It's for more your 1 ton, even up to dually combinations. One thing I like to point out about this camper, it is for a long bed only, and it does have a generator. The Arctic Fox is the Fox known as a slide. It does have the power leveling system on it. You have the back awning that powers out. Your generator is in place right here, all pre-wired from the inside. You have the Fox landing on this setup. Come on in. It is definitely a 4-season coach. The one thing I like about this coach is a little bit different than most. It does have what we call a dry bath, which is, if you come on in, I'll show you the difference. And we'll get to that in just a second. But right here you have the rear kitchen area. You have the slide out right here, the dinette, all in one spot. You can actually sit down, have a meal, get comfortable. You got a ton of room in this coach. They've raised the headroom up here a couple years ago, so you got another 4 or 5 inches of clearance clear up into the bedroom to where you can actually sit up in bed and not worry about hitting your head. But the real identifying mark, the difference between this and the 990, is this right here, and that is the dry bath. It's a separate area. Some folks really prefer that feature. Everything else in campers, well, not everything, but most, have a wet bath where everything is enclosed in one area. So this gives you that separation. And you still have a lot of room. Well, you got a lot of storage. One thing about Northwood is anywhere they can find a spot to put a storage or a door, they do. And you're separated up from over here considerably, so if you look back up in here, you have wardrobe access, you have USB ports, and I'll get out of the way. And you also have separation, so people can actually be up there, have their own area. People can be down here because this turns into his bed as well. And if you notice, you just have a ton of closet storage areas, USB ports, plug-ins, overhead night lights. I mean, a really nice area. And it's got the bigger refrigerator, Norcold, one of my personal favorites. I mean, that's an actual fridge and freezer that you can use. Multiple settings. Anyway, this is the 992, great coach. If you would like to know any more about Northwood's products, they have a variety. I'm certified in this area, so please look me up on any of them. My name is Shane.Timmons, 503-707-2393. Thanks.